Welcome to Session 9 of GED Perimeter Mastery. So far, every question handed you the sides and asked for the boundary. Today, we run it in reverse. They give you the perimeter, and you recover a measurement that's missing. The idea is simple. Undo the operation that built the perimeter. Write the forward formula first. Then apply inverse operations. Then the step that saves you. Substitute your answer back and check it rebuilds the total. Backward problems are easy to verify. Start with a square. Forward, P equals 4S. So backward, S equals P over 4. Perimeter 36 gives side 9. Try a messier one. Perimeter 54 gives 13.5. Check. 4 times 13.5 is 54. A regular polygon works the same way because P equals N times S. So S equals P over N. A regular hexagon with perimeter 75. 6 sides, so 75 over 6 is 12.5 meters. Label N equals 6 before you divide. That way the polygon's name becomes part of the calculation. Rectangles need one extra step, and it's where people fall. Forward, P equals 2 times L plus W. So divide the perimeter by 2 first. That gives L plus W. Then subtract the side you know. Perimeter 26, width 5. Half of 26 is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Watch why having first matters. A rectangle has perimeter 70, length 22. Half 35 equals L plus W. So the width is 13. Check. 2 times 22 plus 13 is 70. Now the trap. Subtracting 22 straight from 70 gives 48. Nonsense, because the perimeter holds 2 copies of every dimension. Circles reverse 2. From C equals pi d, the diameter is C over pi. Circumference 31.4 gives diameter 10, so the radius is 5. And notice, if they asked for the radius, you weren't finished at the diameter. You can also go straight there. R equals C over 2 pi. Now with algebra. A rectangle has length x plus 4, width x, perimeter 40. Divide by 2. X plus 4 plus x is 20. Combine. 2x plus 4 equals 20. So x equals 8, which means the width is 8 and the length is 12. Always translate the variable back into the dimension they asked for. And that's the real danger in this whole session, stopping one step early. Finding L plus W when they wanted L. Finding the diameter when they wanted the radius. Finding x when they wanted the side expression. Every one of those wrong stops is sitting there as an answer choice waiting. So circle the exact target before you start. Then verify, because backward problems handed to you free. Rebuild the perimeter from your recovered dimension. If it doesn't reproduce the given total, you know you're wrong before the test tells you. Your turn. A square has a perimeter of 36 centimeters. How long is each side? Take a second. A square has 4 equal sides, so S equals P over 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9 centimeters. And rebuild it. 4 times 9 is 36. Let's recap. Working backward means undoing the forward formula. Square, divide by 4. Regular polygon, divide by n. Rectangle, have first, then subtract. Circle, divide by pi. Circle the target so you don't stop early. Well done on Session 9. Next up, the distinction the whole test leans on. Perimeter versus area.